All right, Reading Detectives, today you are going to listen to your story. After you listen to your story, you are going to write to tell which character is your favorite. Remember, the characters in the story are who the story is about. In the story Chrysanthemum, the story was about Chrysanthemum. She was the main character in the story, but she was not the only character in the story. Think about the characters in the story as you listen today. When you are finished, write to tell your favorite character. When we write our favorite, we write what we like and why we like it. For example, I like strawberry ice cream because it tastes very good. Listen to your story. Then write to tell me your favorite character.